Hello everyone, this is Jason. We're looking in geometry, and this is the lesson on area and volume of prisms and pyramids and so on. So again, we're looking here, and we're given some basic information, and we're asked to find the area and the volume. Again, the area is the lateral area. And then the volume is the volume. So lateral area is, again, the sum of the area of all the rectangles that form the connectors between one base and the other. So like in a square based pyramid or prism or a rectangular based prism, there's going to be 4 rectangles that connect one base to the other base. And again, the only difference in a square-based pyramid, which is one of your examples, and a rectangular-based pyramid, is that on a square, all 4 sides are the same. So that number that you're given, that's what you're going to use right there. So in this case, I'm going to use 18. Over here, you know that 1 is going to be 18, and then it tells you that the width, which is one of these other sides here, is going to be the other number. So that's the only difference, and it just is different how you calculate perimeter. So we're going to focus on this square-based prism right here, and then the only difference is that you're going to be given another number that you're going to have to use. So let's take a look. We're given that the length of one side of the base here is 18, and again we're focusing on this first one right here. So that means all 4 sides there's 18. We're told that the height is 24, and that's really all you need to know. Again, for prisms, we don't need this slant height, so we're just going to forget that that exists. And so to find the lateral area, 2b plus pH, the pH is the lateral area. So we're going to find the lateral area by finding the perimeter of the base and then the height of the prism. So in a square-based pyramid, or prism, I keep saying pyramid, but it's prism, I'm going to add up all 4 sides. Now, why am I showing you, since I know that they're all the same, is because over here, when you do this one, you're going to need to add up all 4 sides. So in this case, it's 18 times 4. Over here, it's going to be 18 times 2 plus 2 times the other side that you're given. Okay, and then the height, that's going to be that number right there. It's told right here that the height is 24. And so I'm going to use my calculator. Don't be ashamed to use your calculator. I'm doing 18 times 4. So that's 72. So P is 72. And so my lateral area, which is pH, is going to be 72 times 24. Again, I'm going to use my calculator. So I'm going to do 72 times 24. And that gives me 1,728 units. So that's lateral area. That's it. These are actually the easy ones. Let's come over here and find the volume. Volume for any prism is area of the base times the height of the prism. Well, again, we know the height of the prism that's given to us in the problem. So in this case, I know it's 24. I just need to find the area of the base. So again, I'm focused over here on this square. And I know that area for any rectangle, rectangles and squares in the same family, is length times width. So in this case, it's going to be 18 times 18, since the base is all 18. We're just focused on the base for this part. And so 18 times 18, pull out your calculator. You'll have 18 times 18, which is 324. And so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to use 324 times 24. $7,776. And that's going to be units cubed. So follow the same procedure here. Volume, you can also use this formula, length times width times height. So if I'd applied that formula, I'd have went 18 times 18 times 24. I'll get the same thing. You'll get the same thing over here. But that lateral area is going to be the part that you have to find the perimeter of the base and then multiply by the height. So I hope this helps you with those in the lesson. If you still need help, please let me know and I'll send you some additional resources.